All right, guys. So you guys realize the clips are broken, right? Broke the clips. So there's another way where you could do it this way. Since it's on the CRV, that's how I'm doing it, right? You put the zip tie inside. You go around right here where the bolt goes. Push it in, right? Push it in until you hear it. That's solid. Put it back in the hole. Do the next one. So I just changed my spark plugs. Fucking the clips broke because those car overheats, or sorry, not overheats. When a car gets hot, it makes the plastic really dull. So when putting pressure, it breaks. So you see how I put it around here, tighten it, it's good. I don't think it's gonna go nowhere, honestly, but I'm just being safe, you know. All right, guys.